Come with me on a daycation to Union Square. It's in Somerville. Let's go.
Chocolate, boutique shopping, axes, donuts, and the coolest speakeasy. You're about to have the best time, and it starts with a Taza chocolate tour. Just a 5-minute walk from the Green Line Union Square tea stop. You've seen the disc-shaped bars in stores all over the world, but on this tour, you'll learn exactly how it's made.
So these are stone mills that are miniature versions of the ones that we have. The stones work by, there's one in the front, this one doesn't move. There's one in the back, this one's going to rotate. And as this is rotating, nibs are getting fed through this hole in the front. What's basically gonna happen is that the cocoa nibs are gonna travel from the deeper, wider grooves, head to the shallower, narrower grooves. They get pushed in between the two stones and they get ground up as the stones rotate.
It's fascinating, delicious, and just $12 a person. A 10-minute walk away is Bow Market, the best place to shop local in all of Somerville. 2 levels, outside, with amazing diversity. Plus, it's home to delicious snacks like empanadas from Buenas.
We got them! Root medley empanada, but they have chicken, beef, and all the things. It's perfect. It's $4.50. Truly delicious. 10 out of 10.
We popped into Rococo to grab a birthday present for a bestie and took in the vibes at Vinyl Index. Then we found a really cool bar.
It's the ski bar.
And at Bow Market, you can grab a drink and take it with you while you shop. Nearby, Bullseye. Or at least that's the goal. You and your friends can channel your inner lumberjack at Urban Axes. Afterward, across the street is the coolest speakeasy in an alley behind an industrial door. It's called Back Bar. There's interesting art, creative drinks, and great people. It's near the Jungle Music Club and Littleburg for vegan snacks. You're going to have the best night in Somerville's Union Square, but first, of course, you'll have a day. Enjoy.